Thank you for considering a potential life-saving investment in a survival storm shelter. The video that you are about to watch will demonstrate the steps needed to successfully install your garage model survival storm shelter. Once a date has been decided for your shelter to arrive, your dealer will coordinate a mini excavator to unload your shelter, excavate the hole, and set your shelter in place. The first step is to mark the location that your shelter will be installed. You'll need to mark the concrete 12 inches longer and 12 inches wider than your shelter. This will allow you to backfill the excavated area with concrete. You will notice that the sides of your shelter have structure that will lock it into the concrete so that it will not float in the event of a rising water table. Next, your concrete foundation will be cut with a wet concrete saw along the marked lines. After the concrete has been cut, excavation will begin by first removing the concrete and then the dirt. Once your hole has been excavated, you will want to measure the depth. The hole will need to be approximately 6 inches deeper than the height of your shelter. This will allow concrete to make its way under the shelter floor and lock the structure to the concrete. You will now want to make sure that any debris is washed into the hole so that you have a clean foundation that's ready to accept the concrete. You will notice that your shelter has installation bars attached at the top. This will ensure that your shelter rests level with the grade of your concrete. A sluice box should be used so that the concrete is poured into the hole and will allow for a neater installation. Once the concrete has been poured, then the perimeter should be hand troweled to the desired finish. The installation bars can now be removed and you are now ready to install the benches and steps. Once the benches and steps are installed, use the provided fasteners to anchor the stationary lid. This lid is designed to be removed from the interior should it be necessary. Next, you will position the door in its track and ensure that it opens and closes properly. The final step is to familiarize yourself with the standard winch and locking mechanisms and to prepare a safety drill with your family so that everyone knows the steps to take in the event of a tornado. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any additional questions about investing in the finest storm shelters in America, please call our factory at 888-360-1492. Once again, that's 888-360-1492.